Back investors, go-getters, gang. We got a surprise. Don't worry about my feet, worry about your credit score, ho. All right, but to continue, we got a surprise. I ain't gonna tell y'all, but look at the title, ho. Nah, I'm playing. Look at the title, Lord forgive me. But let me cut this open, I'll get back to y'all. Got that Hellboy, Big Demon K. But we got that Hellboy, 18 rounds, 500 FPS. And this, you could field strip this. So we're gonna try to put it, this. We're gonna see if this fits onto here, the upper fits on there. And then we can make a full out of that because this one got a switchy. So I'll get back to y'all. That's what it says on the side. Y'all can pause. This thing, why does it have an auto? It says auto, but it said it's semi-auto. That's weird. I got lucky. Hey, blessed. But this thing is nice, bro. It feels like polymer. Oh, that's pretty cheap. But it feels like a 22, like a cheap ass 22. Hey, the bulk carrier opens. That's cool. Let's see what she did. Chop. Took the stock off. Gotta put a scope on it. And the mag. Does this come off? Coming off. I don't think it's threaded.